Spin at Body by Bennett is heart-pumping bike work with a twist. We add functional off-bike exercises that work the big muscle groups of the legs and the core. This fusion of exercises creates an experience that is big on variety. In a 1-hour class, you can expect to not only spin, but lunge, squat, push, pull, and even sprint down our track. The beginner class, Start Fusion, is a prerequisite for the advanced class. Introduce yourself to the spin bike and its proper setup and use. We start at an introductory pace, at increased volume and complexity as the class progresses. By the end of the 9-week session, most people are ready for the next level. Spin Fusion, the advanced program, builds on the beginner level, but increases the weekly training volume and the intensity. Now, this is a great way to add a couple of days of high-intensity cardio to your fitness routine. In a typical class, we burn about 600 calories. You'll leave feeling spent, but you'll feel great the next morning.